Hey, there's Rick Alford from Defensive Edge Martial Arts and F5 Fight Team. To my left, I have Danny Navarro and Max Casa, and we're going to move a little more forward on creating angles while we're attacking. So, in the last segment, we talked about the loaded versus unloaded leg principle. This time, we're going to delve into it just a little bit deeper. We're going to talk about creating right side angles off of the lead hand. So, what these boys both are going to do, they're going to demonstrate just simply off of a jab, how to create that right side angle off of a jab on the what we call the one beat. So you're stepping as you're throwing at the same time. And then we usually say in here, season as desired. So they'll just give you maybe two different examples of maybe a couple of their favorites on throwing that lead jab with the cutting angle. So Max, why don't you demonstrate first? All right. You did. All right, Max. All right, so again, what they're doing, I'll jump in. Yeah, I'll take that one. Yeah.
Sir.
All right. When they're throwing their jab, they're actually stepping boom, at the same time, which is getting them off that middle lane, creating this outside lane where I'm outside that lead guard. Where you can, if it was point sparring, you'd probably get tagged or whatever, big deal. When it matters, you're not going to have the same impact with these back fists or things like that. And even if he was to throw that rear hand, he's punching across his body. It will hurt, but not nearly as bad as if he did it. If he did it here, it would be bad. All right. If I took this angle, he would actually have to do an outside pivot in order to get his maximum force. He would actually have to match my footwork. He could also do that inside pivot and hit me as well to create that same angle to keep me right in that sweet spot. Okay? So next one, good job, you two.
Yes, sir.
Next one, we'll just do it off of an uppercut, so off of a lead uppercut. So I want you lead uppercut, take your angle.
Yeah.
Okay, good job, boys. All right, so that's still another example of hitting on the one, now starting with that lead uppercut. If you notice, Danny on his, was he first one or second one, didn't do it on his, he didn't throw the uppercut in the beginning. He threw it on maybe the third attack. And that shows you, you can use this principle. It doesn't have to be off your first. It should be as soon as you can, but you can set them up. We have a saying with the ICAT and the Joe Louis combinations, lead with speed, devour with power. All right. So yeah. All right. So we did off the lead hand. Really, what do you got? You got a jab. You got an uppercut, and what else you got? Hook. Hook. So let's try it off a hook.
Cool.
All right, fellas. All right. So that was the segment on hitting on the one beat off the front hand. So when we're stepping off the front hand, it helps us because our weight's traveling forward. When we're doing that, it unloads that rear leg at the same time, gives us an easy route to simply step. Don't overcomplicate your footwork. All right. Literally, we walk, right? If you can walk, you can do this. When you throw your jab, boom, just step. Like if I was to walk past Danny, that's all I would do. I just kind of walk around him. That's all we're doing here. Boom, we're just taking that one little step. That's loaded. Boom, I'm gonna unload it. All right, I can unload it. It's just as simple as loading and unloading your legs. All right.
Yes,
Next
sir.
segment, yes sir. Next segment, we're gonna do it off the rear hand, which would be off of we call it a half. All right, I'll see you there.